This is the 6-in-1 cordless vacuum cleaner. It has a removable battery that you can charge anywhere in your home. The battery lasts up to 45 minutes in standard mode. It's ultra light and portable. It easily cleans in corners and hard-to-reach areas. It has a powerful suction, easily cleaning debris and pet hair. It has 2 levels of speed, max and standard. It has a 5-stage filtration system and comes with a high-density washable HEPA filter. It has a quick release button on the bottom of the canister, so you can easily empty dirt and debris. It features LED headlights to illuminate hidden debris around your home. It's suitable for all kinds of floor types: rugs, carpets, tile, and hardwood. It comes with a wall mount that conveniently holds the attachments and the vacuum.